Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott and this is Grassroots NASCAR Racing. Welcome to part 2 of the restoration of the 1991 Terry Labonte Oldsmobile. Now this car, we've got it all set. If you saw in the last video, we took off all the graphics, got it all ready to go. And now, as you can see behind me, it is loaded up and we are ready to go to the body shop. So it is going to get some work done on the body, then it'll get repainted. It should look beautiful. And then we'll get the windows back in and get graphics on. But for this video, it's bodywork time. So we got it all loaded up. I think we got everything we need, and we are gonna head over to the shop today to drop off this incredible car. You can see some of the things that need to get fixed, you know. Just a few repairs here and there, little cracks, crack there, little ding there. A few things that need to get fixed up on this, so we will have them do whatever they can. And I cannot wait to see this thing with some fresh paint on it. It's going to look so good, and we are going to make this car shine. So it's a beautiful day today. It really is a beautiful day today. We've had some crazy weather the last week, but we got a nice sunny day and we're going to take this thing over. So let's get it over to the body shop. All right, so we are at the body shop now. Got the doors open, car unstrapped, everything's ready to get it out. So let's get it out of here and get it in the sunlight. And yeah, we'll get it in its spot. Okay, so the car is in its temporary spot just for today until they close. Once they close, they're going to put it inside the shop and get it into one of the bays. They're closed tomorrow for New Year's, and then they'll get going on it. So I'm excited. We'll come up here every now and then and check on it, get some videos, see how it's going. Should be super cool to get this done, but it is here. So this should be the last time you'll see it looking like this. After this, it's going to start looking a lot better. So I am so excited, but we will come back probably in I don't know, 5 or 6 days and check it out. So we'll check back in then. Hey, real quick, I want to take a minute to talk about the sponsor of today's video, Sunoco. You know, they've been involved in NASCAR for a long time. They've actually been the official fuel of NASCAR for over 20 years. They've shown our sport a lot of love, and I think that we should repay that. So how do we do it? Well, the next time you're out on the road like this and you got to fill up, pull into a Sunoco station. I mean, you want to use the best fuels, right? From the track to your tank, they keep your car performing at its peak. That's what I do. All right, so I am back home. It is later in the night. I realize that there's a few more things that I need to do before the car comes back, so I'm going to work on those tonight. The one that we're doing tonight is stripping a few of the like window parts and things like that, the little black pieces. Those need to be repainted black to make them look good. They were starting to get chipped and not looking very good. So here's what we're gonna do tonight. So these little pieces here, this is of course the cowling that goes in between the windshield and the hood. We need to strip those, and then there's a little dent right there in that one, so that needs to get taken care of, but we'll get the paint all off of those. And then these are the pieces that hold down the windshield, the 2 strips that go down. And you can see all the little rock chips. So we got to clean these up and get them ready for some new paint. And it looks like they have black duct tape on the back, but of course that's all nasty and gross. So we're gonna peel all that up and get all that adhesive off and stuff. And then the little tabs that hold on the windshield as well, we're gonna shoot those. So I've got some paint remover that we're gonna shoot on there and see if we can get all that peeled off and everything and get those ready for some paint. So let's go ahead and take care of that now. All right, everybody, so we are at the shop, just taking a look at the car. It's coming along really good. Check this out. All this damage back here is all fixed. It's all fixed. Body guy Carlos is doing an awesome job on the car. What's really cool though, see all this black? This is all from when it was a Skull car in 1990. So really cool. But, so yeah. Coming along pretty good. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm here at the shop again. It's been a couple more days. I'm not gonna be able to get back here for a couple days, so I wanted to swing by and check it out. They have it in the paint booth and they are doing some prep. So as you can see, they're just taping it today, getting it all ready. And then they're gonna go through and fix a few more things on the body, these little things you can see like that and on there. And then I think they're gonna go through and smooth out like this kind of stuff right here. But she is getting ready to be painted. It's gonna be cool. So, but I have to work the next couple days, so I'll try and be back here maybe Friday, but by then, hopefully it'll be primed probably, so we'll come back and check it out then. So, I don't know, man, I'm so excited to see this thing. It's gonna be cool. So cool. All right, so it's been about a week since I've been able to come by the shop. I've just been busy with work and stuff, and we actually got snow a few days ago, which was really cool. That damn global warming, you know. We got about 2 inches here, and you know, the rest of the coast got a whole lot more, but that never happens. And in the last 4 years, we've had two times where we've had snow that has stayed around for a couple days, so it's really cool. But as you can see behind me, there's the car. It's done with paint and everything. All they have to do is like buff it and clean it up and stuff, get it ready. So today's Friday. They're hoping by end of day Monday. So that's the plan right now. But let's take a look at it real quick here. So it definitely looks really good. So you can see back here where we had the damage, they got rid of that. But it looks really good. There's a few little spots, like they said, that they gotta buff out and get just right, but man, it is pretty. I like it. So I am excited to get this thing back together. Once I get it back, I'm gonna need to put the windows back in, because when I take it in for graphics, some of those graphics actually go up kind of onto the window here, so I need to have those in. So that'll be the plan once we get it over. But I'm happy. This thing looks really sharp. Back in. Ah, look at how good that looks. Oldsmobile. All right, guys. So we will have another update hopefully in a couple days, and we'll get this thing up to Charlotte. Get some graphics. All right, everybody, it is pickup day. I am here at the shop. We've already got the car rolled out here, and it looks good. I'm excited. This car is gonna look so awesome with the graphics on it. Basically we just got to get it loaded up today, then I got to go to work. So, but when I get back from work, before I leave to go do the graphics, I'm gonna leave probably in about 4 days to go do that. I need to get the back windows in because part of the graphics go up on the rear quarter windows. So I need to get those windows in probably Friday night, and then we can get it loaded up and get out to get the graphics. So let me show you the car. Here she is. Look at how beautiful that is. That is one good looking car. Yeah, I think it came out really good. All the damage is fixed. It looks great. Look at that. You would never know that there was ever anything wrong there. That is beautiful. The whole thing, really. So yeah, let's get this car loaded up before it starts to rain. The weather's kind of iffy right now. So before it rains, let's get this thing loaded in the trailer. All right. Come on. All right, I got the car loaded up. I'm ready to go home. I think I got a new friend here that wants to come home with me. He was up in the trailer helping me load, huh? Yeah. But yeah, car's loaded. Let's get it home and we will get those windows in. All right, everybody, back in the shop. It is a few days later. It's about 10:30 at night. Got a heater going here in the shop. We need to get these windows in because in like 2 days I got to leave for Charlotte to get the graphics done. So let me show you where I'm at right now. Let's go back this way. Now I ordered some new bolts to put the windows back in, but when they came in, they were the wrong size. I got the wrong size. So these are the originals, but you can see how rusty and nasty they look. So we don't want that. So I'm gonna hit that with some black so they will at least look a little better. Let's go back this way. Back here to the car. Look at that thing. Ah, look at how beautiful that is. Ah, that's gonna look so cool when it's done. But we need to get the window in right. Now, if you look around here, you can see how there's like some weather strip tape that they had on here to get the window to the right height. And there's still some on the window, but I'm gonna replace some of this stuff. Not all of it, I'll leave some of it probably, but it's still on there. I did polish the windows up a little bit so they do look better, but we need to get those in. So first thing I'm gonna do is hit that black paint. Be sure that those bolts are looking good, and then I will work on that weather strip tape, and we'll get this back window in first, and then we'll do the sides. Now I don't need to put the NACA ducts in the sides yet, so all I need is the back window in and the 2 side windows, and then we're good to go for Charlotte. So that's what we got to do. So let's get on that. All right guys, windows are all in. Car's ready to go. You can see it here, we've got it all strapped down, ready to rock in the trailer. I did put a little bit of tape on here because I do not have the pins installed yet. So just to keep that rear deck from popping around while we're going down the road. But you can see the windows are all back in the car so we can get the graphics on there the way they're supposed to be. So that's it guys. I'm actually going to leave here right after this, so gonna head to Charlotte to start the graphics. But this is the end of part 2 of the Sunoco restoration. So thank you for coming along and checking it out. Part 3 will be coming up very shortly, where we will be doing the graphics. So you're gonna get to see the trip and that whole graphics process, which is really cool. So thanks for coming along guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you're enjoying this car come back to life as much as I am, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, everybody, it is pickup day. I'm here at the shop. We've already got the car